I'm here, it's dark, that's why it's shaking. We're heading up today in this video to Paramin, on the hills. We park up and we're heading up. I'm here with my cousin, Roland. Roland, I come in here for a few years. How it is we?
Cram.
Real good oh. Good Parang music too. Yeah. Alright, so we're taking a taxi to head up the road at 4x4 because you know we're going up Paramin. It's real steep hill and thing to go up there to listen to the Parang. So we're heading up the road here now. Close to me, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So we're coming up with sun, Nirvana, sun. People we really take. And we're heading out to the event now. Excited? Excited for the Parang? Selling scythe. So up here famous for the scythe, I remember. Gardening and scythe and thing, but you can't hold scythe whole night. So that's the event there. Going on. Always wanted to come to this, so finally, Parang in the hills, Paramin. Son, you excited? Yeah. We get our spot now, we can take it easy.
These are long trek. I have something to say. And I'm going to say it now.
Alright, some boiled corn.
Well, we can see it.
Let's know it's mine.
Good evening, everybody.
Good.
How you doing?
Parang on the hill, boy. 2025.
We want to begin this evening's proceedings with the national anthem of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. Boundless faith in our destiny, we son of That's what we're talking about.
When I look around in this world, what do I see? I see footprints of man, cause I'm on the and the wonder why.
I take out all the rest of my bag.
Can I step outside a little bit on the walkway that leading down to the grounds? Look at the crowd. Right, me and son. Come there. Just taking a walk in the road a little bit, kind of getting away from the crowd. Seeing all the cars and traffic up here in Paramin. Here we are on the hill, and that's it. That's it now. You really get any scale of the stuff from up here. It's not a real big event, man. So if you see that old Defender and the old Land Cruisers, like growing up, that is the kind of Land Cruiser, that is the kind of vehicle that could have come up here. It didn't have all these modern 4x4s and whatnot. So it's cool to see them still operating.
You know your wife looking for you, but now go where you leave your wife and go back there right now. Where was he? Where's the last time you see him? He went by the bar? No, don't let them see him. They will laugh at him. The faces. We have now the next generation of this band. From San Juan, Barataria, make some noise for Amantes de Paranda.
It still hasn't finished, it's about 12 o'clock in the night. This thing has a few more hours. So this is the group. We're watching it from above. And we're going to head out. How it was, guys? Enjoy?
Good.
Good, yes, yeah. In the town center, like, look at the Paramin school, and we're walking back. You know, someone who came with us has a vehicle parked up here, so we'll pack up in it and head down to the other vehicles at the bottom of the hill. Look at the chimney. Nice. Wanna stand up there like a shion.
Everybody wants to take a tea and all. Look at when you brush this. No, a lot of people.
Yeah. So go in the back. Look, Roland living here. Boy, you're this.
Yes, just I forgot my shoes. I'm not forgetting the shoes.
Alright. Right, so we're back down to where we parked the cars. And that was Parang in the Hills. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Might have been a little crazy. I'm not sure how this video go put together, but it was a good experience, man. It was something I would like to do again. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Ave Maria, Ascendió en la Gabriel, no será la Santa Madre, en tu siglo, Emmanuel, no será la Santa Madre, en tu siglo.